This waterfall is what the owners call the Tree House. It's a great venue. There's a catering room on this side. There's a restroom and an outdoor shower that's actually really cool. It's a great place. It's yours to name. I don't think this waterfall has a name. Let's tour the porch. This is the tree. That's the waterfall. Check out this picnic kitchen. Who would not want this? Just a great screened area for caterers to drop off anything for your event. Jack Daniel's whiskey barrels. I'm not saying they're included, but they're here. We'll see the lower waterfall in just a minute.